on the here. Turn on the thing one.
What's the thing one?
The thing turn on this.
Okay, what's that? Burner.
A burner.
How to turn on? Push. Binuksan mo na ba doon? Open na doon?
And saan?
Yan. Hindi. Yan. Kasi na. Ulitin mo. Putay mo.
Like this.
And then you have to wait until it's...
It's boiled.
Okay. Lagyan ng tubig.
So we have to wait until 3 minutes.
Okay.
So now next, if when it's boiled, just open this thing, and when you're done opening, there's a thing. Just put it on there. You forgot something else. This thing, just don't put it on there. Just put it in there. Just do it like this, so it will crack it.
Wait mo. Mag-boil.
And just do it like this. Put it out. Put it like this. Also, this is a dangerous thing. Don't spit it out. Just
Careful. Baka matapon.
put it like this. Okay, that kind of a little bit tulingan. Now we added, okay, that's a little bit broken. And then added the thing on. Okay, I apply that to spill everything.
Wala na?
There's no more.
Okay. Mix mo.
And when you're done, just mix it.
And then what's the next? Put the...
Put the egg in there only.
You have to crack it there. Using the spoon.
How? When it's cracking, put the egg over there.
Lahat. Open mo yung egg. Yan, lahat.
Ah,
Open mo nga.
I cannot. It's impossible.
Open mo. Yan. And then you have to mix it.
And
Put inside yun. Sayang yun. Yan. Yan lahat yan. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Then you have to mix it.
you have to mix it. So, you mash your egg. Okay, that makes it hot. And so
Yung noodles niya. It's boiling na.
it's boiled. Let me wash my hands.
Ayan.
Wash your hands, go. And there we go. We have the most egg mixed with noodles.
Wow. What do you call that?
10 out of 10.
What do you call that?
I'd call it a spicy noodles egg.
There's no spicy. Oo nga, spicy nga pala.
It's literally as